We're gonna be using jalapenos, the bigger ones. We're gonna be using thick cut applewood bacon. We're gonna be putting inside oregano, lemon pepper, minced garlic. We're gonna mix that onto the cream cheese. This is smoked Wahoo. We're gonna chop that up. We're gonna mix it all up together. All right, so we're just gonna split all the jalapenos. We're gonna scoop out the insides. We're gonna put them in a bowl. Take the seeds, separate the seeds from the inside, and then we're gonna use the seeds to add to the mixture. Two parts of it. We have the inside of the jalapeno, and then we have the seeds. We're gonna separate the seeds from the green part. Add the seeds to the mixture to make them actually spicy. So it's gonna give them their heat. All right, check it out. This right here is the part of the jalapeno that we're not gonna be using. See how they're all empty now? They're empty. That used to be there, that was there. We want this, the seeds that make it so, it's gonna be super spicy. We're gonna add that to the mixture that we're gonna mix with all this stuff right here. All right, so check it out. All these jalapeno seeds, we're using all of them. We want it to be spicy, that's the whole point of the poppers, right? So, all those. Lemon pepper for flavor, not all of it, but some of it. Garlic, delicioso. Oregano, yes. And we're gonna go ahead and chop this up very finely. This is all the smoked Wahoo into the bowl. Oregano, garlic, lemon pepper, jalapeno seed, smoked Wahoo, cream cheese. That's it. So, take 2 halves of the jalapeno, stuff both sides, squeeze together, get the residue off the outsides. Now we're ready to wrap it in bacon. All right, so taking the bacon, wrapping it all the way around the jalapeno, making sure it's nice and tight. We put the toothpick through the bacon on both ends so it sticks on the... Okay, fully wrapped jalapeno poppers. This bacon is hickory smoked thick cut with pepper on the outside. Like we said, jalapeno, cream cheese, lemon pepper, all these flavors on the inside. It's gonna 25 minutes in the oven, that's all it takes. Product of the jalapeno poppers. The only difference is the fish that we're gonna be using. We're not gonna be using smoked Wahoo. It's probably gonna be king mackerel. That's the East Coast fish. And also, we're not gonna be using peppered bacon. We're gonna be using thick cut applewood bacon. But a little bit spicy, and this is it.